We guide you through how to connect PayPal payments to Wise so you can transfer your money faster and avoid unnecessary fees. First thing you need to do is to log into your Wise account and copy your bank details by tapping on the currency you want to receive, such as USD. Then select account details to view your routing number, account number, and the bank name. Next, open your PayPal account, go to Wallet, click Link a Bank, and manually enter the Wise bank details exactly as shown to prevent errors. After that, PayPal will send two small deposits to your Wise account within 1 to 3 business days. So check your Wise balance, note the exact amounts, and return to PayPal to confirm the bank. Once confirmed, set Wise as your preferred withdrawal method by going to transfer money, choosing your link Wise Bank, entering the amount, and reviewing the fees before completing the transfer. Keep in mind that PayPal may charge a conversion fee if your currency don't match. So whenever possible, withdraw in the same currency available in your Wise account to save more money. If your bank doesn't appear immediately, don't worry. Just ensure all details are correct and your name matches on both accounts to avoid transfer delays.